श्रवाः नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ अग्ने नयसुपथाराये अस्मान् विश्वानि देव वयुनानि विद्वान् युयोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेनो भूयिष्ठां तेन मुक्तिं विधेम ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ आब्रह्मन् ब्राह्मणो ब्रह्मवर्चसि जायतामाराष्ट्रे राजन्यः शूरैषव्योतिव्याधी महारथो जायताम् दुग्ध्रीधेनूढानड्वानासु सप्तिः पुरन्धिर्योषा जिष्णुरथेष्ठा सभेयो युवास्य यजमानस्य वीरो जायतां निकामे निकामेन पर्जन्यो वर्षतु फलवत्यो नवोषधयः पच्यन्ताम् योगक्षेमो नः कल्पेताम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुः श्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि सर्वं ब्रह्म उपनिषदं माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम् मा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु अनिराकरणमस्तु अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्माः ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः Today, most beautiful day, the Ekadasi of the day, Ashadha Masam. We have the opportunity of learning something from Surya Bhagavan. We are just trying to describe the Surya Bhagavan, who is the Parabrahma, who is all in all, Aditya, and he is trying to promote, sustain, annihilate the entire activity in the world. So we have Saurasuktam in Rig Veda, where we are trying to note down the various aspects of Surya Bhagavan. And Surya is taken to be as the golden one, golden doll appearing in the sky. So that we see in the world, in the mantra, page number 304, Kannada script version, in 31 mantra, we just notice that Divo Om Divo Rukma Uruchaksha Udeti Dure. So Gopinath Avare, can you recite if I just help you to recite? ॐ दिवो रुक्म उरुचक्षा उदेति दूरे अर्थस्तरणिः भ्राजमानः नूनं जनाः सूर्येण प्रसूता आयन् अर्थानि कृणवन्नपांसि. So we have to continue from the 31 mantra in this series, I believe. So I am just trying to note down for our own understanding how this is going to be. See, Surya Bhagavan is said to be Divo Rukma. Rukma is gold idol or gold himself. He is the gold of the sky, heavens. So he is called Divo Rukma. And Uruchakshaha Udeti Dure. That Surya Bhagavan, who is simply Hiranyavarna, he is available to all people and he is rising at a far off distance. But people and Taranihi Brajamanaha. So Dure Arthastaranihi Brajamanaha. See, how is the Surya Bhagavan? There is no time lag or for Surya Bhagavan to pick up the radiance and spread all over the world, nothing. He is called Sadhyo Jatam Prapadyami. Sadhyo Jata Yavai Namo Namaha. So he is Sadhyo Jata, always born fresh, always brilliant. And there is no difference in the light, radiance, effulgence, and splendor that this Surya Bhagavan would emit or give to the world. And therefore, he is a Tarani. He is one who will help all people to cross over the difficulties, to get rid of the fear, to work for the moksham or emancipation or better happiness here and elsewhere. So he is Brajamanaha. Braja is the effulgence. So Brajamanaha means he is having the highest effulgence light in him. And therefore, Suryena prasutaha janaha nunam. Indeed, all the people have been impelled by Surya Bhagavan, have been urged by Surya Bhagavan to be able to accomplish whatever goals that they want to, or whatever expectations that they want to, all that could be possible. That's why ayan arthani krunavan apamsi. So apamsi krunavan arthani ayan. So this is what is the advantage of Surya Bhagavan, which you find mentioned in this. And all said and done, the Surya Bhagavan is the heavenly gold, golden person. Gold, very valuable. Its value is never down. Always, anytime is the gold valuable, remarkable. Now I am repeating the 32nd mantra and further. Yatra chakruhu amruta gatumasmai syeno na diyan anveti pathaha udut udutyadarshatam vapurdiva eti pratihvare yadi ma shurvahati deva एतशो विश्वस्य विश्वस्मै चक्षसे अरम् शीर्ष्णः शीर्ष्णो जगतः तस्तुषस्पतिम् स मया विश्वमारजः समया विश्वमारजः सप्तस्वसारः सुविताय सूर्यं वहन्ति ಹರಿತೋ ರಥೇ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ನಾವು ಉಚ್ಚಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ we get some kind of musical sounds and musical influence, and we actually become completely absorbed in the musical sounds of the utterance or pronunciation of that, because we have got the ma dirgha, and therefore you observe here, see, amruta chakruhu yatra asmai gatum. So all people would do all beneficial activity, and amrutaha chakruhu. So that is, the amruta is a positive thing. It's a sweet drink. And amruta is a beautiful, powerful, tasty drink. That is prosperity. And syeno nadiyan anveti patha. So Paramatma, like a falcon, he will be covering the distance in the heaven. Falcon or Garuda, Siena, is known for speed, uninterrupted speed also. Like that, even Surya Bhagavan in the sky will move uninterrupted with great speed, and the path is being quickly covered. As you see, morning at 6 o'clock, you find Surya Bhagavan rising approximately. Then in the evening, by that time, again by 6 o'clock around, he is retiring. That's why we observe Sienaha na diyan anveti. Here the word na is a comparison, simile. So like the sienna, like the bird, he will cover the distances in the sky, and then the people also would do all kinds of positive activity, whatever they want to accomplish or work out and all that. So that's what we find exactly the meaning somehow. In 31, and 32, we have seen that. And in 33rd, he is said to be Visvasmai Chakshase Aram. So he is the light provider for all people in the universe. And with all that virtues and labrages, he will come upon the horizon and move freely, fast, and covering all distances in that. Then Sirshnaha Sirshaha. Paramatma, Surya Bhagavan, is a Sirshaha. Sirsha is top, prime importance. Among all gods, Aditya is of prime importance. And in fact, when we refer to the mantras, we notice that all gods want to identify themselves with Aditya. So Aditya Samatejaha, Aditya Varchaha. And moreover, here in the earlier sloka mantra, Sieno na idiyala. So a Siena Swabhava or Siena Rupa is being seen in the Dwadasa Aditya divisions. That's what Khagaha Pusha Gabhastiman. Khagaha is the Siena or bird that moves in the sky. Ke Gachati iti Khagaha. So the Khaga aspect is the Siena aspect that is being covered up. And again, Rathe Haritaha Vahanti Suryam. So how at all he is able to make a fast movements in the sky ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, there are horses, very powerful horses. These horses are trying to carry the chariot of the of Surya Bhagavan fast. And who is this Paramatma? Pati. He is the lower lord of Jagataha Tastushaha, for beings which are stable, which are mobile. So that's why we call it Jagat. ಸೊ ಸ್ಥಾವರ ಜಂಗಮಾತ್ಮಕಂ ವಿಶ್ವಂ ಜಗತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಜಗತ್ತಂದರೆ ಸ್ಥಾವರಗಳು ಸ್ಟೇಷನರಿ, ಜಂಗಮಂ ಡೈನಮಿಕ್, ಆ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇರುವುದನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾವರ ಜಂಗಮಾತ್ಮಕಂ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಪ್ ವೆಲ್, ದ ಓಷನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ವೆಲ್, ದ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ವೆಲ್, and all the activity upon the earth is normal owing to the grace of Surya Bhagavan. Therefore, because he is the overlord, he is the ruler, and as a responsibility of a ruler, he has to see that the maintenance, sustenance are also to taken. And in fact, that's why we call Surya as a Narayana. Narayana is meant for providing sustenance to all the people who come into this world. Therefore, the Surya Narayana is taken as the Jagataha Tastushaha Patihi. And our Vishwam Sama Ya Vishwam Arajaha. Sama andre equal. He will be spreading his rajas, our Kanti, brilliance, heat energy, all over the world. So Sama is Samaya. Equally it is going on. There is no disparity or difference in that. Equally the power of the Surya Bhagavan is being seen in that. And Suvitaya Swasaraha Sapta. So in order that Surya Bhagavan is able to complete his course per day from cover to cover, that is from east to west, there are the horses which are supplying or helping Surya Bhagavan to cover that kind of coverage. So Suryam Haritaha Rathe Vahanti. So Surya Bhagavan happily sits in the Ratha as a passenger, and yes. Just a very second. हरितो रथे वहन्ति सूर्यं सप्तस्वसारः सुविताय. Yeah. Sivalingaya, please repeat from 30, 31, 32 slokas, mantras, 33.
दिवो रुक्म उरुचक्षा उदेति दूरे अर्थस्तरणि भ्राजमानः नूनं जना सूर्येण प्रसूत अयन्नर्तानि ऋणवन्नपांसि यत्र चक्षुरमृता धातुमस्मै श्येनो न धियन्मन्वेति पातः ಉದುತ್ಯ. ಗುರುಗಳೇ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಹೇಳಿ 32. ಯತ್ರ ಚಕ್ರುಹು ಅಮೃತ
ಯತ್ರ ಚಕ್ರುರಮೃತ ಯತ್ರ ಚಕ್ರುರಮೃತ
ಧಾತುಮಸ್ಮೈ
ಧಾತುಮಸ್ಮೈ ಧಾತುಮಸ್ಮೈ
ಜೇನೋ ನದೀಯಾನ್ನನ್ವೇದಿ ಪಾಥಃ
येनो न धियन्मन्वेति पातः येनो न धियन्मन्वेति पातः
उदुत्यदर्शतम्
उदुत्यधर्षतम् उदुत्यधर्षतम्
वपुः दिव एति
वपुः वपुर्दिव एति वपुर्दिव एति
प्रतिह्वरे
प्रत्यह्वरे प्रत्यह्वरे
यदि माशु वहति
यदि एमाशुर्वहति यदि एर्माशुर्वहति
देव एतसो विश्वस्मै चक्षसे अरम्
देव एतशो विश्वस्मै चक्षसे हरम् देव एतशो विश्वस्मै चक्षसे हरम्
शीर्ष्णः शीर्ष्णो
श्रीष्णः श्रीष्णो श्रीष्णः श्रीष्णो
जगतस्तस्तु शस्पतिम्
जगतस्तस्तु सस्पतिम् जगतस्तस्तु सस्पतिम्
समया विश्वमारजः
समया विश्वमारजः समया विश्वमारजः
सप्तस्वसारः
सप्तस्वसारः सप्तस्वसारः
सुविताय सूर्यं वहन्ति
सुविताय सूर्यं वहन्ति सुविताय सूर्यं वहन्ति
हरितो रथे
हरितो रथे हरितो रथे
So in these 4-line mantras, we notice that he is like a bird with speed, and he is just covering the distances in the sky, and he is a golden or gold luster appearing in the sky, and he is important among the important people, and he is the overlord of the Jagat, that is the Stavara Jangamas put together are these all stationary and mobile bodies, and he will be spending or spreading light both heaven and earth and other lokas, and there are 7 powerful horses to carry him in a chariot every day from morning to evening. He is able to cover the entire distance from east to west. So this is how we understand that Paramatma is Divaha Vapuhu and Darshatam Vapuhu Udutyatu. So Surya Bhagavan is very, very brilliant personality. In appearance is a brilliant, and he will be coming as a brilliant body appearing in the sky. So Avakashadalli kanta idane, and he is having a good speed. Ashuhu Vahati Deva. So he makes the world with activity full, and so he is so like that we are going to have a beautiful description, the functional activity of Surya Bhagavan, and ultimately in 34th stanza we come to note that Jagataha Tastushaha Patihi. Ultimately what we want to say is the Surya Bhagavan is the overlord or controller or the ruler of all objects in the world which are mobile and immobile. That's all. Two, Dvandva is there upon the earth. ಸೊ ಈ ದ್ವಂದ್ವಾತೀತ ಅಂದರೆ ಭೂಲೋಕವನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ದ್ವಂದ್ವಾತೀತತ್ವ ಸಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಭೂಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿರುವಾಗಲೂ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಗುಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್, ಶೀತ ಉಷ್ಣ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಆನ್. ಬಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಈ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಓವರ್ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹಿಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ he is samaha. He is very much equal in spreading his luster and radiance to all that. Now let us repeat the next one, 35th one. Om tat chakshuhu devahitam shukram ucharatu. Hedappa.
Om tachakshurdeva vahitam शुक्रमुच्चरत् तच्चक्षुर्देव वहितं देवहितं
देवहितं
तच्चक्षुर्देव इतं शुक्रमुच्चरत् तच्चक्षुर्देव इतं शुक्रमुच्चरत्
पश्येम शरदशतम्
पश्येम शरदशतम् पश्येम शरदशतम्
जीवेम शरदशतम्
जीवेम शरदशतम् जीवेम शरदशतम्
बन्महा असि सूर्या
बन्मः असि सूर्य बन्मः असि सूर्य
बलादित्य महान् असि
बलादित्य महा असि बलादित्य महा असि
महस्ते सतो महिमा
महस्ते सतो महिमा महस्ते सतो महिमा
पनस्यते देवा
पनस्यते देव पनस्यते देव
महान् असि
महाहसि महाअसि.
Who is Surya Bhagavan? I think Devahitam Chakshuhu Tat. This Tat Shabda is undefined. So Devahitam, that is in order to do good for all Devas or convenient for them, or they can emit their power, influence and help to mankind or the people all over the world. So that all that derivation of energy is possible from Surya Bhagavan himself. Therefore, Devahitam Chuch. And Ucharatu, Ut plus Charatu, Ucharatu. Charat means moving. Ut means fast, speedy. So he Shukram Ucharatu. That is, he is also emitting the heat energy and thermal energy and very bright. So that's why, what is that Devahitam Chakshuhu ಒಂದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ Shukram ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, and Tattu Devahitam, and Ucharatu means he is active, sharing and energetic. Tat Chakshuhu. So Surya Bhagavan, ultimately what we can understand him to be, he is the Chakshu, he is the vision. He is the vision of all the gods, in order to cause something good and prosperity and fear, fear-free status. And Ucharatu Sukram. So there is that kind of Sukra. Suk means heat and heat. Suk means activity. So Sukram is that which is energetic and goading. Sukram Ucharatu. And because of that kind of great power, what is that advantage for me? ಆ ತರಹ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಇದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಪಶ್ಯೇಮ ಜರದಸ್ಯತಂ. ನಮಗೆ ಪಶ್ಯೇಮ ಅನ್ನೋವಾಗ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ, ಐ ಕೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ವಿಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸಬಲ್ and appreciable should be there, so that we will be able to see through several secrets of the knowledge. So Pasyema Nundu refers to the eye act functioning, and even the Bhadrankarnevi say Bhadram Pasyema Akshaviryajatraha. Aksha is the physical eye, the Charma Chakshu. Pasyema Anovaga is Gnana Chakshu, or the inner eye. So outer eye and inner eye, the secret knowledge and vision and wisdom, everything is stored in the inner eye. That's why we say Saradaha Shatam. Saratkala is supposed to be best of the all seasons. That's why we have got Sarat Chandra, and Sarat Kaladalli we have got Navaratri celebrations. All that will take place. So we want to see completely 100 Sarat seasons. And again, Jivema anta. So illi Pasyema, Jivema. These are the two important aspects in the human life. ಒಂದೇನಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಗೊತ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಥೂಸಿಯಾಸಮ್, ಆಂಗ್ಸೈಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನನಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಒಂಥರ ತಾತ್ಸಾರದಿಂದ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಥವ್ರು ಮೂರ್ಖರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯರು. ಮೂರ್ಖಸ್ಯ ನಾಸ್ತ್ಯೌಷಧಂ ಸರ್ವಸ್ಯ ಔಷಧಮಸ್ತಿ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರವಿಹಿತಂ ಮೂರ್ಖಸ್ಯ ನಾಸ್ತ್ಯೌಷಧಂ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಈ ಮೂರ್ಖರಂದರೆ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಒಂಥರ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಾವು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆವಾಗ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಪಸ್ಯೇಮ ಅನ್ನೋದು is highly symbolic and significant. Navella, we should be able to perceive knowledge. Now we have to perceive the knowledge deeper and deeper, so that you will be more and more happy and spiritual. And Jivayama andre sustenance irbeku namage. Jiva is also pranam. Jivema andre we should be able to keep up our health appropriately, and also spend that healthy time towards the positive and hopeful and gainful activities. That's what we say, Pasyema Saradasyatam, Jivama Saradasyatam. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಸ್ಥಿರೈರಂಗೈ ತುಷ್ಟುವಾಗುಂಸಸ್ತನೂಭಿ ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಗಾಂಗಗಳು ಸ್ಥಿರವಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಬಲಯುಕ್ತವಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ, ಸರ್ವಾಣ್ಯಂಗಾನಿ ಬಲಂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವ, ಆ ಥರ ಇದ್ದರೆ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಡೂ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದಿ ಟೂ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಗೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಒಂದು ಪಸ್ಯೇಮ, ಅಂದರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಜೀವೇಮ. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೈಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟೆಡ್. ಅದು ಏನು, ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಇನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ರೋಲಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಮ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ. ಇಫ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ it will increase in its size. If it is rolling, no. Therefore, here, because of the Shukram Chakshu Devahitam Chakshuhu Ucharatu Tatu, because of that, I will be able to have the advantage and benefit of Pasyema Jivama. How long? 100. So Satam means Purnam. Satam by Purnam. It doesn't mean just the number 2 zeros. Next. It means Sampurnam. Then, who is the Surya Bhagavan that he can bestow all that desire fulfillment and aspirations promoted? Because Aditya Mahanasi, we repeated 2 times, Deva Aditya Mahanasi, Sravasa Mahanasi, Satra Mahanasi, and Manha Devanam Asuryaha Purohitaha Vibhuhu Adabhyam Jyotihi. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನನಿಗೆ ಇರುವ ಸಂಪದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ. ಇವರು ಮಹಾನಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಮಹಾಶಕ್ತಿಯುಕ್ತನಾಗಿರುವನು ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್. And he is Aditya and Surya Asi. See, Mahan Surya Asi andre Surya ಅನ್ನೋ ಶಬ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಅಂದರೆ he propels our activity upon the earth. There should be a propeller, but otherwise we cannot be active. There should be promoter so that we will be active. ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಮೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಂಪರ್ಮೆಂಟು ಸಪೋರ್ಟು ಇದ್ದ ಮಹಾನುಭಾವರು ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್. And therefore, he is said to be Mahan. And Sataha Te Mahaha. Your existence, your strength, everything is also equally great. And not only that, Mahima, Sataha Mahima, Asi, Mahanasi, you also have got a great Mahima, inert energy, influence, and therefore you will be able to uplift people who are your devotees. And nextly, you got Surya is Mahanasi Sravasa. Srava andre Kirti. So Kirti ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದರೆ Surya Bhagavan is highly famous. And whatever Kirti that Surya Bhagavan has got, heart it is for other gods to have it. Because he is responsible for any and everything that is happening, for all kinds of activity in the world. Positive, negative, and neutral. Otherwise, Sattva, Raja, and Tamoguna. ಈ 3 ಗುಣಗಳಿಗೆ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ people behave, but Surya is alone. Something like in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, we have noted, Salila Eka Eva, the water is all alone, but you see the forms of the same water in differently. So here also, Surya Bhagavan is alone, singularized, but with the great Mahima in him. Owing to that Mahima of that person, he has become very much, Surya has got great Kirti, fame, and he is also very good in protecting the good people, sadhu janas, ultimately, Mahan Devanam Asuryaha. So he is the Asu, Yaha Suryaha, Devanam Mahan Asuhu. Asuhu andre ಪ್ರಾಣಗಳು. ಹಸು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ನೋ ದಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಸುಪತ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಸುಪತ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅರ್ಥ? ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಶಿವಲಿಂಗ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್,
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಸಿ ಆಸು ತ್ರ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 3 ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಸುಗಳು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಗಳು. ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಲನ, protection, treatment, diagnosis, treatment, and all support, cure. Tra andre place, a location or a building. So a building or a location where there is a proper staff and equipment in order to cure and relieve those people whose pranam is at difference. ಸೊ ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದರು, ತಲೆನೋವಾದರು, ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮನೆಗೆ ಕಳಿಸೋದು ಜಾಗ ಇದು ಅಂದರೆ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಅಂತ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಸು ಪ3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಶಬ್ದ ಏನಮ್ಮ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಸುಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಗಳು. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಣಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅಸುಹು ಯಹ. ಸೊ ದೇವಾನಾಂ ಅಸುಹು ಅಂದರೆ ದಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗಾಡ್ಸ್, the blessings of the gods, the influence of the gods also is being absolutely supported and confirmed by the Paramatma. And who is further, he is taken to be as a Purohita, he is a priest. Purasya hitam karoti yaha saha Purohita. He is one who will do good for the society. And Vibhuhu, there is nobody higher than he in ruling, in controlling, and in overpowering. So that kind of ability characterized and dumped on the personality is Vibhuhu. And Adabhyam Jyoti, you never see Surya Jyoti to get extinguished. Adabhya means stopping. Adabhya means incessant, non-stopping, and continuous. Jyoti is the effulgence or so Surya Bhagavan is Vibhu, Jyoti, Adabhyam Jyoti, he is Purohita, he is Devanam Asuhu and Mahan Asuhu, and he is the Satra Mahanasihi, Sravasa Mahan. So ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? So many attributes are there with Surya Bhagavan. And owing to those attributes, he is always constantly best. Otyanapa Sirshnaha Sirshno 34 odi. Sirshnaha Sirshno Jagataha Tastu Shaspatim. Samaya Vishwamarajaha.
Krishna Jagata Jagatastastu Saspatim.
Good.
Samaya Vishwamarajaha Saptaswasara Suvitaya Suryam Vahanti Arithorate Tachakshurdeva itam Shukramucharat Pashyema Sharadhashatam Jivema Sharadhashatam Brahma Asi Surya Baladitya Mahahasi Mahastye Sato Mahima Panasyate Adha Deva Mahahasi.
Here, but Surya Sravasa Mahasi.
But Surya Sravasa Mahahasi. But Surya Sravasa Mahahasi.
Satradeva Mahanasi.
Satradeva Mahanasi. Satradeva Mahanasi.
Manha Devanam Asuryaha.
मह्ना देवानाम सूर्यः मह्ना देवानाम सूर्यः
पुरोहितो विभुज्योतिरदाभ्यम्
पुरोहितो विभो ज्योतिरदाभ्यम् पुरोहितो विभो ज्योतिरदाभ्यम्
Yes,
ज्योतिरदाभ्यम्.
good. So any ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥವಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ just superficially we understand who is Surya Bhagavan. Surya is Agni only. See Agnimile Purohitam Rutwijam Devasya Rutwijam Hotaram Yajnadatamam Agnihi Purve Bhirushibiridya. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಸೂಕ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ you observe he is just taken as a Purohita. So even Surya Bhagavan also being Agni form, he is also a Purohita. He is a overlord and he is a brilliance uninterrupted, not cessational way. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಂಥದ್ದು ಇದು. ಸೊ ultimately ಇವಾಗ ಬಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಣ್ಣ, I think they are all the mystical syllables attributed to ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್. ನಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಹೃತಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಹೃತಿಗಳು ದೇ ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ attribution and to elevate the strength of the Paramatma. Namo mitrasya varunasya chakshase.
नमो मित्रस्य वरुणस्य चक्षसे नमो मित्रस्य वरुणस्य चक्षसे
Maho devaya tadrutam.
महो देवाय तद्रुतम् महो देवाय तद्रुतम्
Saparyata.
सपर्यता सपर्यता
Dure druse deva jataya.
दूरे दृशे देव जाताय दूरे दृशे देव जाताय
नमो मित्रस्य वरुणस्य चक्षसे. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
केतवे दिवस पुत्राय
No, I'm just repeating this mantra 38.
नमो मित्रस्य वरुणस्य चक्षसे नमो मित्रस्य वरुणस्य चक्षसे
महो देवाय तद्रुतं सपर्यता.
महो देवाय तद्रुतं सपर्यत महो देवाय तद्रुतं सपर्यत
दूरे दृशे देवजाताय केतवे.
दूरे दृशे देवजाताय केतवे दूरे दृशे देवजाताय केतवे
दिवस्पुत्राय सूर्याय शंसता.
दिवस्पुत्राय सूर्याय संशत दिवस्पुत्राय सूर्याय ಸಂಶತ.
ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮಂತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಸ್ ಯು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫುಲ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್ and that is also a science student can have some scientific derivations of knowledge from these suktas. And because Surya is all in all. Surya Narayana Veda Parayana Vipranarayana ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ದಂಡಕ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಈಸ್ ವೇದ ಪಾರಾಯಣ, ಅಂದರೆ ವೇದ ಪರಹ ಸೂರ್ಯ. ವೇದ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್, ವೇದ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂಪದಗಳು, ವೇದ. ಇನ್ ಮನ್ಯು ಸೂಕ್ತ ಏನಂತ ಇದೆ, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್, ವಿಭಜಸ್ವ ವೇದ ಓಜೋ ಮಿಮಾನೋ ವಿಮೃಧೋ ನುದಸ್ವ. ಗೋಪಿನಾಥ, ನೀನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಗೋಪಿನಾಥ್ಗೆ ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮನ್ಯು ಸೂಕ್ತ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿ ಮನ್ಯು ದೇವತಾ ನೀಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ದಿ ವಾರ್, ಬಟ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ, ವಿಕ್ಟರಿ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಯುದ್ಧದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡು, ಆರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆಪನ್ಸು ಏನೇನು ಗೆದ್ದಿರ್ತಾರೋ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದಿ ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎನ್ಹ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಕೋಶ, ಟ್ರೆಷರಿ. ಸೊ ಕೋಶನಾಥ ಚತುರಂಗ ಬಲೇಶ್ವರಿ ಅಂತ. ಕೋಶನಾಥ ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ರೆಷರಿ, ದುಡ್ಡು, ಫೈನಾನ್ಸು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಚತುರಂಗ ಬಲ, ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದಿ 4 varieties of kinds of ಸೈನ್ಯಂ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ 2 things ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ರಿಚ್ನೆಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಮಂತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಅಯ್ಯ ಯು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮೀ in fighting with my enemies and helping me to dethrone them, to defeat them. One. Secondly, vibhajasva veda ojo vimano. So veda vibhajasva, adu ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವೇದ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂಪದಗಳು, ದಿ ಬೂಟಿ that comes out of the war victory is to be distributed by Manu himself equally, appropriately, so that there won't be any kind of argument. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಅಗ್ನಿದೇವನು ಸಮಾನವಾಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ. ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು ಅಂದರೆ, ಇವನು ಹೀಸ್ ದಿ ಕಣ್ಣು, ಮಿತ್ರಸ್ಯ ವರುಣಸ್ಯ ಚಕ್ಷಸೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೀಸ್ ದಿ ಕಣ್ಣು, ಅಥವಾ ಹೀಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟರ್, he makes the day and night become visible. And Mahadeva, among all gods, is a Shiva Swarupa, Mahadeva. And moreover, he is Rutam. Rutam andre Satyavak. He is the very embodiment of the Rutam and Satyam. Rutam Tatu. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಅಂದರೆ ಸಪರ್ಯತ, ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ, ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಕೊಡು, ಪಾರಾಯಣ ಮಾಡು, ಏನೇನು ಸಪರ್ಯ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೋ ಆ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನ ಶಕ್ತ್ಯಾನುಸಾರ ಮಾಡು. ಅಂಡ್ ಇವ್ರು ಯಾರಪ್ಪ, ಕೇತವೇ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕೇತು. He has got a large number of radiant rays. And Devajataya, he is born one among the gods, but he is visible at a far off distance in the sky. ದೂರೇ ದೃಶೇ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಈಸ್ ಸೂರ್ಯೇ ದೃಶ, ಸೂರ್ಯೇ ದೃಶೇ ದೇವಜಾತಾಯ ಕೇತವೇ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿವಸ್ಪುತ್ರಾಯ. ದಿವಸ್ಪುತ್ರ ಈಸ್ ಬೃಹಸ್ಪತಿ. Suryaya Samsata. So he is the son of the sky. He is the child of the sky. While Agni is the child of the earth. So Devajataya, Varunaya, and Divasputraya, Prasuva. So this is how we come to know Paramatma is seen in that far off place, but he is helpful to all people, and our activity to look at, having looked at the power of Surya Bhagavan, it depends on these 2 things. ಒಂದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಪರ್ಯತ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಂಸತ. ಸಪರ್ಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಷೋಡಶೋಪಚಾರ ಪೂಜಾ, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ, ಪಾರಾಯಣ, ಹೋಮ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಸಪರ್ಯಲು ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಸೇವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಶಂಸತ. ಶಂಸನ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೀರ್ತಿ, ಹೊಗಳೋದು, ಗುಣಗಾನ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನನ ಗುಣಗಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ he happened to be the eye for all people for day and night. ಸೊ ನೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೇತ್ರ ಸೇವೆ ಆರ್ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಸೇವಾ, ಋತ ಸೇವಾ ಈಸ್ ಹೈಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟಿವ್. ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ. ಓಂ ನಮೋ ಮಿತ್ರಸ್ಯ ವರುಣಸ್ಯ.
ಓಂ ನಮೋ ಮಿತ್ರಸ್ಯ ವರುಣಸ್ಯ ಚಕ್ಷಸೇ ಮಹೋದೇವಾಯ ತದ್ರುತಂ ಸಪರ್ಯತ. ದೂರೇ ದೃಶೇ ದೇವಜಾತಾಯ ಕೇತವೇ ದಿವಸ್ಪುತ್ರಾಯ ಸೂರ್ಯಾಯ ಶಂಸತ. ಸಮಾ ಸತ್ಯೋಕ್ತಿ ಪರಿಪಾತು ವಿಶ್ವತೋ ದ್ಯಾವಾ ಚ ಯತ್ರ ತತನನ್ನ ಆನಿಚ
ವಿಶ್ವಮನ್ಯನ್ ನಿವಿಶತೆ.
ವಿಶ್ವಮನ್ಯನ್ನಿ ವಿಶತೆ.
ವಿತತೆ ವಿಶತೆ ಯದೇಜತಿ.
ವಿಶತೆ ಯಥೇಜತಿ.
ವಿಶ್ವಾಹಾಪೋ.
ವಿಶ್ವಾ ಆಪೋ.
ವಿಶ್ವಾಹೋದೇತೆ ಸೂರ್ಯಃ.
ವಿಶ್ವಾವೋದೇತಿ ಸೂರ್ಯಃ. ವಿಶ್ವಾವೋದೇತಿ ಸೂರ್ಯಃ.
ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಂ ಸ್ವಸ್ತಿ.
ಓಂ ಸಹನಾವವತು ಸಹನಾ ಭುನಕ್ತು ಸಹ ವೀರ್ಯಂಕರವಾವಹೈ ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಾವಧೀತಮಸ್ತು ಮಾ ವಿದ್ವಿಷಾವಹೈ. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ. ಸರ್ವೇ ಭವಂತು ಸುಖಿನಃ, ಸರ್ವೇ ಸಂತು ನಿರಾಮಯಾಃ, ಸರ್ವೇ ಭದ್ರಾಣಿ ಪಶ್ಯಂತು ಮಾ ಕಶ್ಚಿತ್ ದುಃಖಭಾಗ್ ಭವೇತ್. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ. ಹರಿಃ ಓಂ ತತ್ಸತ್. ಸರ್ವಂ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣಾರ್ಪಣಮಸ್ತು. ಶ್ರೀ ವಾಸುದೇವಾರ್ಪಣಮಸ್ತು. ಶ್ರೀ ವೇದ ಪುರುಷಾಶೀರ್ವಾದೋಸ್ತು. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಾತೃಚರಣಾರ್ಪಣಮಸ್ತು.